Kumuway ni kinong aibot barangba jong Karibhoy Cricket Association uba sustenance sotun ubala syajid ru kum umentri ka sarkar jila dangshan bat hagju kapor ubaderu UMLA bat MDC ke Jirang constituency mentagasngi ula syapin kuburam ha Karibhoy District Cricket Association namar ke jing syajid jong u bandrung ha ka kinhon mentri ke jila kabalong ke jing sarong ka bakraw ya ka kinhon RBDCA barok kawai. Ya kania ke jingalang pin ko buram, lapin long hamadan yalek kai kriket ka RBDCA, hapaham CM nongkra, balasa khiru da ke jingdon lang ke kong Rona Khemdeng, MDC ka nongpo, u Rubel Ali Officer in Charge katanat traffic hanongpo, uba Renal Kharkamni President ka RBDCA, badairu u Honorable Secretary ka MCA, ki noyalam ka RBDCA nadu uba Ferdinand Kharkamni Vice President ba Michael Kharhunai Secretary bat kiwe lambat ka kinhon yale kai cricket Naribhoy District habakran ha kani kasngi uba sustenance sotun kum umentri sarkar babat yakatnat CNRD GAD bat SAD ulapin pau ka kam yale kai ka dei ka badan ha ka do nu jong u bat udai uwei uba jusngotanat ban yale kai ki jat jingle kai ba pher nadu ka football ka badminton ka table tennis bat kiwe ha ka ba ula ongru bah ka kam yale kai ngadei ujak of all trade
Soviet ya ka jing champang ya ka jing ya ala ka jing I bat kuduk lang ya baro utau de uriu rang ba utau de ubadeng sotun ubangidan ha ka de ka po tena kalian ka jong ngaru jai ka pila ai ka de ka lan ka ko bu ngasui ka ban ai ka jing kuble ka ba ka pang ya I kum I ta minister ai bat mai ka long ka jing shngan ila du no yang pa jong Ribhoy mo kuman shuong akineki can see in this last few days we have lost the father of Ribhoy district but now we are getting the uncle of Ribhoy district. Yes, he is just like the uncle, he is just like the eldest brother to all of us, not only for the Jirang constituency but for the entire Ribhoy district. I'm so proud of him. Ngasuru ikaban ai kublay hang ne ya I association kajungi hang ne I baba Renal Kharkamni iba hagajing yalam kajung I ngangis camp rengkat bat ka teamwork kajung pi kajing don ki players kajing don jong ka management ka babiang lalak ban penulong ya kane kamadan ndai man shwa mano ban pos new ya ka cricket baro we are rushing to football not to cricket but now it seems as if everyone are rushing after the cricket. Why? Because in your leadership, in your management, everyone they have recognized, they have seen. Now we have introduced a new game, a national game of Indian, that is cricket, to our to the sport person of Ribhoy district.
Ngasoban ai ke jingiro bakraw ka Ribhoy Cricket Association under the leadership of Renal Kharkamni. With the generosity of this village, I remember the first time I visited here, I never expect that the grass will come out as it is now. It's all with no hope at the time. But due to your dedication, the President, Secretary and all the members, your dedication to the job that you have taken and the dedication that the members have entrusted on you. So I feel that with this beautiful ground which we can see around now, so I hope that maybe we are hoping very much that in future there will be a very good stadium out here coming out. So all these, for these happenings, it depends upon you also, my dear boys and girls, all the players. You have a camp out here, you have a camp there in Umsning, and then hopefully we'll be having the camp there in our area also, in my constituency. And I've seen that cricket nowadays, it has attracted more and more participants, more and more players. And to tell you frankly, I hate cricket at one stage. But in the later stage of my youth time, I really involved myself in cricket, and not only cricket. I'm involving in football, in basketball, volleyball, hockey, cricket, and then table tennis, badminton. I'm a jack of all trades, but master of none. So we are expecting a lot from you guys, boys and girls. You have the Riboy Cricket Association, who has taken the initiatives. They're hardworking. It's not for them. They're hardworking. It's for you all, because they want to see that Riboy district will one day get many players to represent our state, to represent our country. So we are hoping, and I'm giving my best wishes. I'm lending my support. Kajing trelang na kailang chunga bati baro association nang ta bati coach ki players baro ba nga criminal scam ba ka cricket lingba kani kamadan kaban isayo ban say shibun ki players ki bebet ilai menta babun ki players ki ba bet na katika area ka jongirong ina kithan baridwa na kithan kanapara nang ta na kithan parakma bonihat area kidon ki players ki ba Tibet kiba doni kata capability capacity. And for the fielding side, it's for the bowlers, you have to make full concentration. You have to make full concentration during the time that has been given to you, the 6 ball that you have to concentrate. And for the batting side, it's a matter of 1 ball. It's a matter of 1 ball. You have to fully concentrate. And it's not sport. It's not a game of one day that you can dream for. You have to every day. You have to continue your practice so that you can become a perfect player. So my best wishes to all of you, and my best wishes to the Riboy Cricket Association. As always, I'll be with you together to work together for the upliftment of cricket and to the upliftment of sports in our district and the state as a whole.